Want to add music to WhatsApp status? First, open WhatsApp. Go to the status section inside the WhatsApp app. Here you can create and share your own status updates. In this video, you will learn how to add music to WhatsApp status. Tap the camera icon to create a new status. This will open the WhatsApp camera on your phone. Switch to video mode so you can record with sound. Now take another phone or device to play music. Play your favorite song on the second phone. Start recording video while the music is playing nearby. The microphone will capture the music in the background. Record for a few seconds with the music playing. Now stop the recording when you're done. You will see a preview of your recorded video. You can add text to make your status more interesting. Type something related to the song or your mood. You can also add emojis or stickers for style. Once ready, tap the send button. Your status will start uploading. Now your status with music is live. Open it to check how it looks. You will hear the music playing in your status. This method is quick and easy to use. That's the first method completed. Now let's look at another method. Open a music app like Spotify on your phone. Choose the song you want to use. Play and pause at your favorite part. Now turn on screen recording on your phone. Start recording your screen. Play the music while recording the screen. This will capture both video and sound. Stop the recording after a few seconds. Open your gallery to find the recording. Now go back to WhatsApp again. Open the status section. Tap to add a new status. Choose the recorded video from your gallery. Preview the video before posting. Tap send to upload your status. Wait for the upload to complete. Now open your new status. You will see your video with clear music. This method gives better sound quality. Now your status looks more professional. Both methods are easy and effective. You can use any music you like. And that's how you add music to WhatsApp status easily.